Morning, we're back here at Exeter Estate. Where we left off last, we had our brick set at the foundation with our air gap, and we had talked about how we're going to flash behind the brick. So we've got our foundation, our brick set at the base, we've got where we've liquid flashed the foundation to the OSB so insects and water can't get inside the home. Now that we've got this set up as our base, we're going to go ahead and prepare to have the brick installed. To do so, we've put this flashing here, which has got a vinyl type base to it, a butyl type membrane on the back that sticks to the wall and sticks to the brick to allow for water to come down and out the bottom. Next, we're going to prepare to install the brick itself with a brick that'll have mortar. We'll install these weave screeds, and then the next brick goes in. This will allow, once installed, mortared and all, for water to come down. It runs behind this, hits this slick surface, runs out through these prepared weave screeds, and water stays away from the home. So the first one I've shown you here as far as a weave screed is a plastic one that's prefabricated, sets right inside the brick, and makes it easy for them to install. And it has a little bit of flexibility to it, but also keeps enough of a gap so water can always get out. There are several different variations of weave screeds that you can use. I've got a stainless steel one that we'll be using on this project that will go in between the brick. It also is flexible. May not be super easy for me to manage without mortar, but it'll go in similar to this, and water will come down the wall and come out this one. The most common ones you see are more like this. Looks like a mesh piece that can go inside here and sit between the brick as well. Water comes down the wall and out the gap that we've created. So while we've talked about installing this flashing here, this detail is important, but mostly just to get the water to run quickly once it gets to the foundation area of the home. But it's imperative that we install the actual weave screed itself, because if we did not, and the bricks were together or the mortar joint was there, it would hit this, but water would still sit behind. By creating the gap between the bricks and having this piece sit between, it allows for water to hit the bottom, find a path of least resistance, which is going to be this weave screed, and exit the home at the front instead of water pooling behind. Manufacturers might say you do this weave screed every 3 or 4 feet. In this case, on this home, we're going to do this every other brick. So you're going to have one about every foot. So we'll continue on with this stage of the brick install. We'll see you later when we get further up the wall. Talk to you soon.